Hello, guys. What should I eat? Oh, perfect. That's a perfect piece. Not comment. Like this video if you like watermelon. Chaos the rules.
Are we having a staring contest? I'm gonna win.
Which one will win?
It's gonna be me. I win.
Ah, you cheated. Cats can hold their eyes open.
Are you recording?
Yeah. For about 3 minutes.
How do you know that?
Because I've looked it up. Itchy head, itchy head, itchy head, itchy head.
I think we need to change shampoos.
But I like my shampoo.
Well, anyway, the head's been itchy for a week.
But the other shampoo worked last time.
Maybe it's just something in that shampoo. Maybe we should just try the other one again, the rose one.
But I don't really like the rose one. I like the...
I know, but the rose one is calming and it won't make your head as itchy.
Clementine, you're blocking the camera.
This is going to be an interesting YouTube video.
Look, guys. It's Clementine.
Ah, that's a close-up.
Guys, guess what I'm getting? Slime. Can I show them?
Oh, don't eat that.
Okay, guys, wait. I don't think you can see this phone.
No, you're not showing my phone. No, you're not giving me my information.
I wasn't going to.
Yes, you are when you showed them your Amazon stuff.
Guys, hold on. There's a slime that's coming today. When will it be here?
I don't know.
Can you look, please? I want to know. Clementine! Guys, I'm going to do something very...
It's a couple stops away.
I'm going to do something. I'm going to take some tape. Perfect. And then... Look at Clementine.
It's Scotch tape. Just rip it off.
It's my skin peeling, Mom. This is my skin peeling. And it's definitely not Scotch tape. It's definitely my skin. Can I do something?
Do not put that on her fur.
But you put it on her paw.
I put it on her paw. I did not put it on her fur.
No, close it.
Well, she doesn't want it. She knows what it does now. Get out of here. Get out. Baby, she doesn't want it.
Boink, wait. Boink, no. Boink.
She wants to sniff it. Why
Oh.
not?
Sniff it.
Ava.
Boop.
Alright, stop letting the cat eat tape.
She put a rip in my skin. My tape, I should say. Was that the AME's on package?
It's Daddy.
Look at Clementine. Oh, Clementine. Oh, look at that little Clementine.
Clementine, just bite.
No. She's bit me once.
What? You meow a lot.
Because she's fat. Oh. Hey. Oh, hold on, guys. Clementine. Shush. Ow. Oh, sorry. I think you're okay. I heard something screechy. Like a truck.
Dude, there's trucks that drive through here all the time.
Can you heat me up some of the confetti pancakes? Okay, guys, this is where I'm gonna end it.